Lake Como, an Italian dream, a place where nature and man's work blend in perfect harmony. Hello everyone, and welcome to Italy Uncovered. Today I'm taking you to one of the most fascinating places in Italy, Lake Como. Famous for its breathtaking landscapes, elegant historical villas, and picturesque villages overlooking the water, this lake enchants visitors from all over the world. Watch the video till the end to discover the most iconic places and some hidden gems that will make your trip unforgettable. And don't forget, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. Also, in the description below, you'll find a perfect accommodation in Tuscany, ideal for exploring cities like Florence, Siena, Pisa, and the splendid Val d'Orcia. Thank you for your support. Let's begin this adventure on Lake Como. Nestled at the foot of the majestic Alps, Lake Como is the perfect representation of Italian beauty. Its serene waters are embraced by imposing mountains, creating a breathtaking scenery that has inspired countless artists and dreamers. Lake Como is not just a body of water, it's a living palette of vibrant colors and textures. The picturesque villages that dot its shores add a touch of human charm to the natural splendor. Imagine enchanting villages clinging to the lush green hills with their terracotta roofs and narrow streets that invite you to explore their hidden treasures. This is Lake Como, where natural beauty and timeless elegance intertwine. The elegant villas that line its shores are a testament to the rich cultural heritage and refined taste of the region. For centuries, Lake Como has captivated artists, poets, and travelers. Its ethereal beauty has been a source of inspiration for some of the greatest minds in history. Leonardo da Vinci found inspiration here, drawing from the lake's serene landscapes to fuel his creative genius. His works reflect the harmony and balance that Lake Como embodies. Romantic poets like Shelley and Byron immortalized its beauty in their works, capturing the lake's enchanting allure in their timeless verses. Their words continue to resonate with those who visit this magical place. Today, the lake continues to enchant visitors with its timeless charm. Modern travelers from all corners of the globe come here to experience the same sense of wonder that captivated so many before them. The scent of wisteria blossoms in the air adds a touch of romance to the atmosphere. The vibrant flowers create a delightful sensory experience for both sight and smell.
of history.
Bellagio, often called the Pearl of Lake Como. Thank you so much for exploring the beauty of Lake Como with me today. I hope this video inspired you to visit this breathtaking destination. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to leave a comment down below and tell me your favorite spot on the lake, or what other destination in Italy you'd like to discover. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Italian travel adventures and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Your support means the world and helps us continue to bring you amazing travel content. And if Tuscany is your next destination, check out the link in the description for fantastic accommodation in a strategic location. It's perfect for exploring Florence, Pisa, Siena, the Val d'Orcia, and so much more. Trust me, it's the ideal base for any Tuscan adventure. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.